Hello guys, good morning. I am Harry and welcome to my YouTube channel Always Riding Official. Back in 2018 I started this store Always Riding based in Gurgaon.
किसने बोला था? लो सुना क्या? ये भी मेरी गलती है. नहीं भाई मेरी गलती है.
It's based on Sohna Road near to Airforce station. And with your support guys, we have opened our second store in New Delhi
Oh my god! Wow!
near Arjangarh metro station. It's opposite to pillar number 182. So at Always Riding, we deal directly with brands and we are the official dealer for brands and helmets like MT, LS2, SMK and Axor and Studs and Vega of course. Then moving on to gears, we got Rynox, DSG, Biking Brotherhood, Solace.
अरे तू जा रही.
Now let's talk about the helmets I have got in front of me. But before moving on to the helmets, do watch the video till the end as I've got a special announcement to make
और अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी है.
for our YouTube family. And you know the drill. Please subscribe, like and share. So let's start with SMK Typhoon. And meanwhile, you guys watch out the cinematics. So guys, this is SMK Typhoon Reptile series. Talking about its certification, it is ISI, ECE and DOT certified. Then coming next to the features, it has dual visor. The sun visor gets operated from here. Then it has this anti-fog film you can see. Moving on, we got the front air vent, forehead air vent and the top air vent. Then it has a rear spoiler and the paddings are completely detachable and washable.
जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकल.
Also, this helmet is Bluetooth compatible
ये तो लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ है.
and has a nose deflector too. Talking about the price, its MRP is 5,150. Now let's move on to the MT Targo Pro series. Meanwhile, you guys watch out the cinematics for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the cinematics. Now let's talk about MT Targo Pro. The MRP is 7,800. It is made of high impact resistant polymer shell. Coming to its certifications, it is ISI, ECE and DOT certified. Additionally, it is SHARP tested. SHARP is a safety helmet assessment and rating program. So it has got 3 stars, so it is quite safer. And moving on to the features, it has the front air vent, the breath deflector, the visor movement is quite smooth, the top air vent and a rear spoiler. The paddings you can see are quite premium, detachable and washable. So it has a chin curtain and the reflector also. The mechanism, locking mechanism is double D-ring. And with empty helmets, you only get a pin lock visor. The anti-fog film needs to be purchased additionally.
मैं नहीं मानता.
So guys, moving on to the next helmet we have today here is Axor DC Batman series in street. The price of this helmet is 6,500 and just go check out the cinematics first. So guys, here comes the Axor Street Model DC Batman series. Talking about its certifications, it is again ISI, ECE and DOT certified. This is also dual visor. The sun visor gets operated from here. Anti-fog film is already fitted inside. The front air vent, as you can see, the top air vents are there and the rear spoiler. The paddings are completely detachable and washable. It comes with a double D-ring lock again. The chin curtain is in place and it is Bluetooth compatible as well. One more thing, which is a specialty for DC Batman series, is that the company is providing a smoke visor complimentary with this helmet. So that's it, guys. This was the today's vlog about the helmets. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and do let me know in the comment section how was it and what would you like to see in the future. And do follow us on our Instagram ID, which is always riding official. And yes, I forgot about the special announcement I was about to make in the ending,
तो रुको जरा सबर करो
which was about a giveaway, a mega giveaway. We are about to do in our next vlog. So stay tuned. Adios, amigos.
क्या बोला तूने